Welcome to 49 Robert Barry Crescent in beautiful King City. This Zancor built executive home features loads of upgrades and is just minutes from top-rated public and private schools, parks, shopping and restaurants, the King City Go, and is only 40 minutes to downtown Toronto. Let's head inside and take a look at this beautiful home. This stunning home features over 3,700 square feet of living space and has been completely remodeled and redesigned by a professional interior designer. It features a beautiful formal dining room with gas fireplace, upgraded hardwood flooring and lighting throughout, a main floor office, and this stunning kitchen with Caesar stone countertops, marble backsplash, and Viking appliance package. On the upper level, you'll find 4 bright and spacious bedrooms, including this beautiful primary suite with cathedral ceilings and upgraded lighting. There's also a large walk-in closet, and the best part about this primary suite is the fully upgraded ensuite bath that features gorgeous marble tile, a frameless oversized glass shower, a stunning freestanding bathtub, and Caesar stone countertops. The fully finished walkout basement is the perfect place to relax and unwind. Down here you'll find a full fitness area, a sleek and modern kitchenette, and a beautiful home theater area with a 100-inch motorized projector screen and 2 cove ceilings with smart multicolored LED lighting. My favorite part about the lower level is the spa-inspired steam bathroom, which features a state-of-the-art steam tech shower system that also provides light therapy, salt therapy, and aromatherapy. Now imagine hosting your family and friends in this beautifully landscaped backyard, which features a large stone patio and covered cabana with its own misting system. It's actually the perfect place to escape and beat the heat. So if you'd like more information about this stunning property, make sure to reach out to us at the CB Group at the agency.